Previously, in our exploration of the FlexVertex Data Multiverse, we've described several of the most popular NoSQL products that influenced it, such as graph and document databases. Next up is a brief overview of key-value storage systems. Key-value databases, which can trace their history back decades, even before relational databases in fact, can best be visualized as a hash table consisting of an arbitrary number of key and value pairs. The specific structure of these keys and associated values are totally up to the database designer or application developer. The modern twist on key-value databases has been to distribute their information repositories across multiple servers, often residing in different locations, in the cloud, or both, to achieve maximum throughput while safeguarding data. Here's an example of a segment of key-value data. You'll notice that there is a grouping of sequential keys on the left, and a comma-separated collection of values on the right. To a casual observer, these values would appear to be randomly stored, and, in some ways, they are. In fact, the burden is on the application developer or database designer to understand the meaning of all this information and to isolate a specific value that they wish to work with. In the past, this has meant that key-value databases are restricted to a relatively small set of use case scenarios, where high performance and low overhead were critical. We've identified several significant drawbacks with using a key-value data store to hold all the information for your application. For example, since they track data at such a fine-grained level, it's up to you, the developer, to make any associations across different key-value pairs. In other words, it's you who define and maintain any cross-record meaning. And if you want to truly achieve full database functionality from a key-value data store, you can expect to be required to write a lot of code. We've taken all these obstacles into consideration when we designed the FlexVertex Data Multiverse. As we'll describe later, it's capable of storing all the key-value information you want, with the added benefit of easily associating fine-grained individual entries with larger artifacts. We have dozens of videos that tell you all about the FlexVertex Data Multiverse. Subscribe to this channel so you'll be the first to know when we publish a new entry.